We are Chuan Yu and Ziqiang. We present the beehive monitoring and management system. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating a wide variety of plants, contributing to ecosystem biodiversity, agricultural productivity, and food security. However, they are fragile creatures that are sensitive towards changes in environmental factors. Therefore, we aim to ensure their health and wellness with this system. This system can track real-time beehive conditions, predict their behaviors, and produce alerts when threats are detected. We will first look at the dashboard of our V1 system.
Here is an overview of the dashboard where it contains sensor readings and signals, the analysis chart for past data, and button.
The environmental temperature has exceeded the threshold, the fan will be turned on to cool down the beehive. The temperature is back to normal, the fan will be turned off. On the other hand, the fan will be turned on when the humidity of the beehive is too high. Humidity is back to normal, the fan will be turned off as well. When it rains, the shade will be open to cover the beehive to prevent it from getting wet. In contrast, the shade will be closed when the raining stops. It will also be open to cover the beehive when the sunlight is too strong. If the sunlight is not too strong, the shade will be closed instead. The system will detect ingress and egress movement at the entrance of the hive. Close. Open. Close. Auto. Fan on. Alright. Fan off. Fan on. Auto. The V1 platform, we have created a workflow that contains components of anomaly detection model training and storing. It first preprocesses the telemetry data gained by our sensors by only retrieving the required features for model training and splitting the data into training and testing splits. This model was trained using the color of organisms detected by the color sensor placed at the entrance of the beehive. This workflow also splits and processes the ingress and egress data collected by the sensors, which will then be exported and sent to our emails for further analyzing the movement patterns of bees during different times of a day. Using the train and safe anomaly detection model, we are able to perform anomaly detection inferencing on organisms that are entering the hive. The system then sends an email to the beehive owners if it detects a non-bee-like entity has entered the hive. This enables the owners to get notified when the system has identified an anonymous entity has entered the beehive. Dashboard, we are able to visualize and analyze the movement patterns of bees and also the time series environmental data.